Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick clean on this lens. We are talking about the Nikkor 55-300mm, a very nice lens, and this lens I bought it for a coworker who wants to give it as a gift for his daughter-in-law or something like that. And yeah, she got into photography. She started with an 1855, then she's moving now to the 55-300, and yeah, they didn't want to spend a lot, so I found the cheapest I could find. And the issue, well, not really an issue, is that there is a very small fungus that you see just there. Let me just try to zoom a bit. Okay, there is two pieces of fungus, one just there, and then the second one. Okay, anyway, we got this lens cheap, and what we're going to do now is just to do a cleaning, and yeah, maybe we'll remove some dust. There's little specks of dust, and then it will be good for many years to come. So let's do it. This is going to be extremely simple. So we're just going to remove the front element, and to do so I will start with my rubber cones, and I think it's the number 5 that opens this. So I press into the plastic rim here, and then at some point it should start rotating. This I did yesterday, and then you see the ring that moves. And then two things can happen here. So let me just remove this and then I explain. So the ring can come along with the front element. It can happen if they are glued, because I think there is a trace of glue here, or it can come alone as it just did here. And if I do this, the front element is not coming out. This is rather unusual, but then what I notice is that the front element has also a little thread. So you will need a tool like this. So this you can find a link in the video description, also for the rubber cones I used in the beginning. And then I will just stick to the glass, and then I will rotate. The torque you need is not really big, at least it was the case here. And then we have a trace of glue that just fell into the glass. We're just going to blow away that. This is something I don't really like a lot about new lenses, is that they tend to have a lot of glue. Okay, and then this is the element we are interested in. I take my very typical black glass, and then we will lie. Okay, let's remove this, and then we will lay the lens on the surface. We do a bit of focusing with some, and then we see the fungus just right here on the corner, and a bit like a quarter to the center. Okay, so I'm just going to get what I need to clean the lens. We meet in just a few seconds, and then we will do the cleaning together. Okay, so I'm back and I'm ready to remove the fungus. We don't need something very complicated. I have this little bottle, which is written lens cleaner, but in reality there is my solution to remove fungus that I show you how to prepare in this video here. And then we just put a drop of the solution. We don't need a lot. Then we can spread with our fingers. And then we see the fungus is gone already. And then what we shall do is to clean the glass that we have just dirty. Okay, so I dry. So far so good. I can see that the fungus is gone. And then I'm just going to show you an example on how to proceed. This usually takes some time, but this is how I will proceed. I will do 2 cleanings. So I will be using this kind of solution or this one. I use them depending on the mood, no special preference. And then what I do is I remove any traces of dust. I do a first application. Then with a microfiber cloth that is relative old, I wipe, and then I see that I have made some progress, but I still have some traces. This is because the microfiber is not new. And then I will do a second cleaning, exactly the same thing as before. And then what I do now is with a microfiber which is newer, I will do the next step of cleaning. And then normally in this case, okay, we still have some traces, a bit less than before, but this is live. Maybe my microfiber is not as new as I think it is. But then this is how I proceed. So what I'm going to do now is just to keep going with the cleaning. I will maybe change this microfiber, which is not as new as I used to think, and we meet in a second for reassembling the lens, which is going to be also extremely simple and extremely quick. Okay, so I'm done with the cleaning. This is the result. So you see I have no traces, at least not very visible ones as before. Finally I finish up with lens cleaning paper. So like this one here, I just try to pick the box out of a box, and then this is it. And then this works quite fine, as you can see here, and here you got the result. So now we are going to be extremely quick. So I blow just to remove any eventual trace of dust or particles. So I pick my lens here. Let me just maybe zoom a bit. I just come, I get everything in position. I screw the lens using the suction cup. Then I'm very happy with the result. So what we see in front are just outside traces. So what I'm going to do is to do a quick cleaning of the outside. I will use the paper I used before. This is just to show you. And then the paper was used just for a final cleaning. And then I was initially using the microfiber cloth. This is maybe important for you to know, because I was not sure whether the glass was real glass or plastic, because this can happen, and obviously the plastic is softer and you can easily scratch it, even though optical cleaning paper, good quality one, is not supposed to have any traces of wood or something or sand or whatever that can scratch the glass surface. But I pay a lot of attention to that. So the result is rather good to me. The fungus is gone. I got this lens cheap. Then, just to finish, I put this ring. And then the daughter-in-law will be able to enjoy this lens for a really long time. And this is all I want to show you today. You saw was extremely easy. Enjoy and see you next time.